So we'll touch as well with the Orlando Pirates will be playing in 5 different tournaments. The impact that these boys can make. I don't know, my guy. What's your take?
Yeah, I think maybe where we can start is the reason to go to Spain.
Yeah.
Part of the reasons to go there, I think, is to face or to play kuma conditions from train our con.
Yeah.
That are not so favorable. That helps in terms of reach a new limit when we're training. Yeah, I'm talking about heat conditions.
Yeah.
It's very hot during this time. I know in South Africa, go hot, go hot towards December.
Yeah.
That side, it's their summer right now. So that's why it's important to utilize that time. Also, the facilities. It's not the same facilities that maybe we may be using when we are in South Africa. You know? And you are solely using football facilities, you know. I don't know if we are not using, we were not in South Africa, mangabe singekho grounding, you would find out maybe awekho suitable facilities to actually train a football player.
Yeah.
I'm just making an example. But going there, you know very well this place is built for just one thing and one thing only: football.
Yeah.
It's a training center for football, so it's quite very important.